Yo, Thunder vs. Wizards. Sheesh. Sheesh. Thunder coming off a huge W against the Clippers. Obviously, SGA has been killing it, bro. This man is my MVP right now. I said it when I watched that first take. It, bro. He's been unreal. Dropped 31 yesterday against Clippers in the W. Always dropping 31 is crazy. Okay, Poole. Poole isn't Poole coming off the bench now. Poole is bad, man. The downfall. I'm so sad. I thought he was gonna be much nicer, man. Damn. And turn into Kuzma. At a lower level of Kuzma on the same team. Shit's crazy. Won the chip the 1 year with that team with the legends and played good. Poole played way better. Damn. This Kuz stuff is a bucket. This man pulling up in no buckets, bro. Oh. Okay. And I know that the Warriors won't have won that year if I had Jordan Poole, bro. Jordan Poole is nice. Okay, score on dude or whatever. Kispert. I said Portland. He's pretty good. Yeah, the Thunder have been playing unbelievable, man. They look good. If they can have an amazing second half of the season and get really hot, they're going to be toughed out, especially fighting for that home court advantage. It doesn't look like they're going to be anywhere lower than 3. It really doesn't. Cool, deep one. Okay, cool.
I'm very positive right now. Don't worry, when we go to Milwaukee, we'll have Marcus.
I don't think there is
I'm a positive guy, man.
Nice. Oh no, missed it. No, there's Kuz on this one, okay.
The putback by Washington put up 128 points in the first matchup when these two teams met.
Williams.
In our nation's capital back on January 8th.
Okay, Williams. I mean, they have a bunch of dudes, man. The Thunder are underrated squad in general. Oh.
Jordan Poole might have lost his balance. Bagley there.
Yeah.
Another block by Chet Holmgren. He had 3 last night. Bagley got
Bagley. Okay.
Minnesota's got the best record in the West, 39-16. But here comes Dallas, the Mavericks. All of a sudden, playing really good.
Just Bert.
Start to see a little separation.
Huh? Oh, there's Gordon Hayward, by the way. I didn't realize yesterday when I went to the Thunder game that was Gordon Hayward's debut. I didn't even see him. I forgot. Now I see number 33 right there. Okay, Jalen Williams is nice, bro. This man is becoming real good, bro. He is becoming real good. Okay. Yeah. I want to see Kispert on another squad. Giddy? He's nice, bro. Okay. The other Jalen Williams. SGA wide open. You know he's getting his 30, bro. You know he's getting his 30, bro. We know that.
You give him space. He will make that 3, much like Kispert. If he's got a little space from the outside, he's been huge off the bench. Keeping the Wizards in it. Nice cut.
Giddy. Okay.
He soars up for the jam. I'll let you think about it.
Yeah, let me think about that.
Kuz.
Trying to turn the corner on Dort.
Oh! He pushed that bitch up and in.
Dort right on his hip. Kuzma just a skilled scorer, knows what to do. Holmgren once again. That's the second alley-oop of the game. This one with authority.
To holding Washington to just 5 made threes in this game, and he said the biggest key has been transition defense. Washington really likes to play fast.
And just like that, it's a blowout, bro. End of the second quarter, last 5 minutes. That's what always happens to the Wizards.
And all of a sudden, that's 2 threes back-to-back.
This shit's over. I'm bad guy here. There's no point. There's just no point. A lot of games to react to. It's the 5th game. We got one more, and then I know that there's games later. A bunch of late games today. Okay.
Bagley feathers it up and in.
This is, man, you just come in, you try to figure the game out. There's a lot going on. Josh just staying with it.
Getting.
Shamit trying to keep Shea in front of him. Extra pass over to Dort. Open 3 and corner 3. It's the bottom of the net. He's shooting, not known for his offense. It was Washington who traded up in the draft to get him. And
SGA.
it's his defense that is his strength, but not on that possession.
He'll continue to get better. Still fun to watch, though.
Yeah, he was the third youngest player in the league on opening night.
This shit over, bro. I know they're not gonna come back. There's just no point. I hit the other games. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Already know Shea had disparity. That's just how it goes right now, man. See what's fun to do.